What's going on, y'all? Today we making a stuffed baked potato, y'all, with all the trimmings, all of them. But anyway, let's get it. So first things first, of course, we gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, y'all. Then we gonna come in with our celery, just chopped up celery, y'all. Nothing special. Would have had some onions, but I ain't had no onions in the fridge today, y'all. And y'all know how I like my onions, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Then we gonna rain on it with that salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. Once that's mixed up, we gonna add us a little bit of ham. Now I just cut this straight off the ham that I cooked the other day for Sunday dinner. Then I had me a chicken breast. I cut it up, hit it with a little salt, pepper. And of course, some of this great seasoning that I love. That mixed salt seasoning. Y'all gotta try it if you ain't tried it before. And we just gonna mix that in with our chicken and throw it straight in that pan with that ham. Give that a good mix. Hit it with a little bit more olive oil because our pan was getting dry. Now, you might not have to add olive oil, y'all. If your pan don't get dry, don't worry about adding the olive oil. Mine got dry, so I had to. And then we added a cup of milk. And we gonna bring that milk up to a simmer and add us 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we gonna start breaking off this cheddar cheese, y'all. Now, you can use whatever kind of cheese that you want to on this. Today, I'm using this cheddar cheese that I got from Wisconsin when I went up there to see my partner and we went on that fishing trip. And then I added a little bit of shredded Gruyere on top. And we're just gonna mix this up until that cheese and that milk and that butter becomes one. And we gonna have something real tasty, y'all. And you know what that is, right? That's a real tasty cheese sauce, y'all. Real tasty. So once we get it mixed up, this is what it's gonna look like. Now you might want yours a little bit thicker. If you do, just let it simmer just a little bit longer. And then we gonna go ahead and get our baked potato out that oven. Get it out that foil. I'm gonna rain on it with a little bit of salt because I am going to eat my skin, y'all. I know everybody don't eat their potato skin, but I always eat my potato skin, y'all. So I want that salt flavor all throughout that skin. Then I'm gonna cut that potato open. Hit it twice across. Add a couple of pieces of butter in those slits that I made across. Bring it all together and make the perfect serving vessel out of that potato. Then hit it with that good cheese sauce with that ham and chicken in it. Now I had to add me a couple of tomatoes because y'all know me. I am a tomato fan, y'all. Love me some tomatoes. Little extra cheese on top. A little bit of parsley. And we ready to go ahead and get us a bite, y'all. Ready to get that bite. And take a look at this, y'all. That's a good looking potato. And I know it's good because I ate it. But anyway, let me get that bite. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. It was delicious, creamy, buttery, and potatoey. This is the ultimate potato, y'all, and y'all need to try it. But anyway, as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.